Create AI-powered videos using ChatGPT and Vidya.ai. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of leveraging AI to generate captivating videos quickly and easily. Let's dive in. Step 1. Setting up. First, head over to Vidya.ai, an AI-powered video creation platform. Sign up for an account if you don't have one already. Step 2. Defining your video concept. Once you're logged in, it's time to define your video concept. Begin by brainstorming the main ideas, key points, or narrative structure you want to convey in your video. Make a list of essential scenes or sequences you want to include. Next, open ChatGPT in another browser tab or window. ChatGPT will assist us in generating the script and text content for our video. Start by providing a clear instruction to ChatGPT about your video's topic and purpose. User. In the ChatGPT input box, generate a script for a video about insert topic. The video aims to insert purpose, goal. ChatGPT. ChatGPT generates a response based on the given input. Engage in a conversation with ChatGPT, refining the script until you're satisfied with the content. Step 4. Formatting the script. Once you have the script from ChatGPT, copy and paste it into a text editor. Format the script into scenes, dialogue, and other relevant sections to make it visually accessible. Step 5. Importing the script to Vidya.ai. Now, return to Vidya.ai. Create a new project and import the formatted script. Vidya.ai offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to enhance your video by selecting templates, customizing visuals, and adding animations. Step 6. Fine-tuning and editing. Once you've imported your script, you can fine-tune the video by adjusting timing, transitions, visual effects, and other settings provided by Vidya.ai. This step allows you to customize the video to align with your vision and make it more engaging. Step 7. Preview and export. Utilize Vidya.ai's preview feature to review your video before exporting it. Make any necessary adjustments or refinements to ensure a polished final product. Once you're satisfied, export the video in your preferred format, such as MP4 or MOV. Step 8. Sharing and distribution. Congratulations! You've successfully created an AI-powered video using ChatGPT and Vidya.ai. Now it's time to share and distribute your video. Utilize various platforms like social media, websites, or presentations to reach your target audience and amplify your message. That concludes this tutorial on creating videos with AI using ChatGPT and Vidya.ai. Embrace the power of AI to unlock new possibilities in video creation and storytelling.